Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Among Us on PC for free. But before that, if you don't know what is Among Us, it is a multiplayer party game in which it is set on spaceship or space team facility, and the game involves 4 to 15 players who take one of two roles such as crewmates or imposters. And to start downloading Among Us, just simply go to your Google and kindly search in here on the search bar BlueStacks, since BlueStacks is actually this website that will help us to download the Among Us. So just simply click the first link that come up in here upon searching the BlueStacks, in which this BlueStacks serve as our gateway to download the Among Us. So it will show you in here a variety of application that you can download. So from here, all you need to do is simply go to the search bar, or you could also go below here, scroll down to explore some other games or look for specific Among Us application. But to easily search it, just simply go to the search bar and search Among Us. Upon searching on it, just simply click here the first link or the first result. But it will show us in here that we firstly need to install the BlueStacks application in our PC before installing the Among Us in here. So at this point, the first thing that we need to do is to simply sign in to our BlueStacks and download this BlueStacks application, in which it will serve as our app store. And to do that, just click on the top right corner, download BlueStacks. By clicking the button, it will show you in here that it is currently being downloaded. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load. And after that, you can now start opening it in here. And below, just simply go to your store section and just simply sign in first or log in your account on BlueStacks. However, as you can see, I don't have any account in here. But just simply go to the search bar section to search for specific, or just go to this discover section and look for the Among Us games. Now upon looking on it, you should be able to see here this one. So you can click instant play in browser or download it in here for free. But make sure to simply sign in or log in first your account on BlueStacks to do so. And once done, you can now start playing it with your friends for free. And overall, that is just basically how you can download Among Us on PC for free.